Many cryptocurrency execs are believing that Bitcoin and crypto won't pump until 2024, which lines up with Bitcoin's halving cycle, which means that the circulating supply of Bitcoin every 4 years gets reduced, which causes demand to outweigh supply and for it to pump. And so that's why we saw a spike in 2013, 4 years later, one in 17, 4 years later, one in 2021. They think it's going to happen again in 2024, which I have no problem waiting for, right? Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, especially not in these amazing digital assets, which are long-term holds. And so if it takes 2 to 3 years for people investing now to become millionaires and independently wealthy, so be it. No one has a problem waiting that long to become independently wealthy and get free of corporate slavery, right? So that's the beauty of cryptocurrency. And in the meantime, we get to wait for this stuff to unfold. We get to learn about all these high quality digital assets and buy on deep red, guys. Plus, the halving cycle might not even be as impactful. We can already see crypto trading with the rest of the NASDAQ and other digital tech assets. So potentially, as it's trading based on geopolitical events, it could just rise with the rest of the stock market and it won't be as impactful. But we know the halving cycle will be extremely impactful on Bitcoin's supply-demand fundamentals. In the meantime, let's keep learning. So we have these decentralized autonomous organizations forming. These are entities that run on the blockchain that give voting rights to people that own the tokens of these DAOs, as they're called, right? You have the Julian Assange DAO, which people just formed to help Julian Assange get out of prison. You have the Constitution DAO, which people formed to buy actually the Constitution. And you have one recently which formed to buy the Denver Broncos. So for the first time, we can actually own a piece of a United States NFL team through a DAO. Guys, this is what everyone is missing about blockchain technology. It's democratizing everything. It's putting the power of the people back into the financial markets to raise money through blockchain and acquire and do things. We could form our own political party if we wanted to. Eventually someone will, because they're going to be fed up with the current system, guys. And so that's the power of blockchain democracy. That is what Web3 is. It gives us voting rights and ownership over digital data instead of big tech. It's extremely powerful. Elon Musk's brother is also launching a DAO. It's going to be a charitable DAO. And a lot of these right now are running on Ethereum, but they're also going to run eventually on other layer 1 blockchains that we've talked about, including Algorand and Matic and other just phenomenal assets once these DAOs realize that they can't actually operate on Ethereum because the fees are too high. However, Vitalik just said that Ethereum 2.0 should launch in the second half of 2022, at which point, who knows what happens to Ethereum. It could regain its massive market share of the space. We will stay on top of it all, guys.